guys, welcome to the DL on All Things Girly with Dana and Lacey. I am your girl, Dana. Today I'm going to share with you how to get the perfect eyebrows. I get a lot of people that ask me, how do I do my eyebrows? So as you can see, these are my natural eyebrows right here. It has taken a long time for me to get them the way that I want them to be. And I learned a few tricks along the way. First things first, let me get this piece of hair out of my way. Okay, the number one trick is training your eyebrows. Just like your hair, you can train your eyebrows. And what I do to train my eyebrows is I shape them with my eyebrow brush, which comes on the pencil that I use, which I'm using the MAC Brow Styler in the color Lingering. It comes with an eyebrow brush. So I shape them the way that I want to. And then I take a eyebrow gel, which mine is MAC, and I put that on top of my eyebrows. And that's how I train my eyebrows to go in the direction that I want them to go. Another thing that I had learned along the way is your eyebrows should never pass the corners of your eyes. If your eyebrow is longer than the corner of your eyes, you're doing something wrong. So make sure your eyebrow lines up with the corner of your eye. Just a couple of tricks I learned along the way. Okay, so let's get started on shaping the perfect eyebrows. Again, first things first is I'm going to take my eyebrow brush and I'm going to style it. The way that I want. Need some more light in here. Now I'm going to use the pencil part. And I'm going to start in the middle and very gently shape my eyebrows. Well, basically just fill in what I currently have there. And I really hope I don't mess this up because I have already done my makeup and I don't want to have to go back and do it again. So like I said, I'm gently filling them in. And I noticed that the closer up on the pencil I am, the harder I press, the further back I am. It's much lighter pressure, so that's why I'm further back on the pencil. Now I'm just going to take the eyebrow brush and brush it all out so it all blends very nice. Okay, eyebrow number one done. See the difference? Now, same thing on this eye. I'm going to start in the middle and just basically trace around my eyebrows. Now, another thing that the eyebrow gel is good for is not only to train your eyebrows to how you want them to grow, but to also keep your eyebrows in place with the pencil, with the color on it. It won't rub off. gonna use the brush again. Just brush it out. Brushing it out makes it look more natural, and it also blends everything very nicely. Voila! Perfect eyebrows. Now if you want to add more depth to your eyebrows, you take a concealer that's probably a shade or two lighter, and you use a brush, a concealer brush is what I use, and then I just very carefully trace. Now this is actually something that should be done before your makeup is done, but I was in a bit of a rush and kind of did things backwards because it'll just blend better. But you just trace your eyebrows. Now you can do it underneath. Now I've already done mine underneath, but I'll just add a little bit. And I'm gonna wipe my brush off to make sure I didn't get any eyeshadow on my brush. Now I'm gonna do the same with the other eye. Everybody see that? Okay, and you want to take a blender brush, something that you use for your eyebrows. I already have one, now it's a matter of finding it. So this is the brush that I use. You could use any blender brush. I just used to choose this one because I make sure that this is the only one I use for my concealer around my eyebrows. And then you just blend it in very carefully without messing up your eyebrows. Once again, I'm further away on the brush to apply less pressure. And you see how it just really makes your eyebrows pop. And brush them out one more time. Throw some eyebrow gel on it. And this is something you want to do really lightly because you don't want to mess up your eyebrows. And there you have it. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Lacey and I have so many more videos to come, and I'm also going to be featuring Miss Bella Rose. I hope you all checked out her Odango video. She's just the cutest little thing, and she's going to be on some more of my videos. So please, please, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook and Instagram page, and share to all your friends. And thank you so much for watching the DL on All Things Girly with Dana and Lacey.